Today we have a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is entitled 19-year-old turned simple traffic stop into felony. So let's get into the files and let's get into the tapes. Let's see what they're talking about here.
On December 5th, 2023, officers initiated a traffic stop for speeding, which escalated far beyond what was necessary.
311 Flower, vehicles not stopping. Westbound towards Bunham. Looks like we're slowing down now.
Hey, man.
We're going to be stopped at 10982 West 100. Hello. What took you so long to pull over? I was behind you for at least a mile with lights and sirens. Well, I'm Deputy User Flag County Sheriff, so the reason I was stopping was for your speed. That was it. You're 70 to 60, not really a big deal. Any reason why you wouldn't stop?
I didn't see you. I was
Okay. Got it. Do you have your driver's license with you? Where are you guys coming heading to? What was that? Okay. I got you. You guys live over there? Got it. You have your ID with you, sir? You guys have any marijuana in the vehicle at all? I smell it a little bit. Are you smoking in the car at all? Got it. Any weapons in the car or anything like that?
My name is Montrell.
Okay. I'll get your information and just write it down real quick, okay? I appreciate it. Is this your vehicle? I'll get the registration or anything, or proof of insurance? Or a picture of it, or on the phone, or anything like that? Just so I just gotta see proof of it that you have it, okay?
She got a picture of my phone.
Okay. Okay, I got you. Okay. These guys sitting tight here for right now, okay? I appreciate it. You can go ahead with it.
I'm showing a in-state pickup, Florida 49. It says juvenile order of arrest, subject emancipated on 10/10/22, violation of home detention, disturbing peace, breach of the peace, no bond, pickup statewide, Florida only. Company will send for head confirmation.
10-4, she's not secure yet. How far is my other unit? I have 31 in the vehicle too, with another passenger. Can you go ahead and hop out for me, okay? Yeah, I'll explain everything in a second. You open the door. Take off your seatbelt. So just keep your hands right there where you are, okay? I appreciate it. You have a warrant for your arrest. I need you to step out of the car. 311, give it a gentleman.
Right now, she is contemplating on if she should run or if she should get out of the car. Look at this look on her face. Once she is told that she has a warrant, she knows she's going to jail, and she's looking like, fuck. What should I do? So, let's see what she actually does, because the title says turn simple traffic stop into felony. So I'm thinking maybe she's gonna take off. We're gonna see.
$311, give it a gentleman. I'm out of the car. I'm out of the car. I'm out of the car.
Stop! Bro, what are you doing?
311, three females acting resistant.
Tripping, bro.
I'm out of the car.
Hey, stop.
I'm out of the
Give you
car.
another charge.
I'm out of the car. Put your hands behind your back. I'm not telling you again.
You being crazy.
Put your hands behind your back. Get on the ground.
Get off me! Get off me! Get off me!
You're gonna get tased.
Get off
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put them behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Hop out of the car.
No!
Put your hands on the hood. Put your f***ing hands behind your back.
Bitch, I'm not talking to you.
You're not. Stop resisting.
Stop. What are you doing? Stop, bro. Get a whole nother charge. Like for nothing.
Keep your hands there.
I want to call my mama.
What is your mama's number? I'm trying to call her.
Keep your hands there.
I know her number.
311 female, security can clear the channel. Keep your hands there.
I got my hands here.
Stay there. Hello. My glasses got launched. Can you just stay with her real quick?
I'm not doing it to you.
Yeah, okay. You caught battery on LEO.
Oh, what did I do?
I'm securing you. There's odor of marijuana in the vehicle. You're not under arrest. You're just being secured for the duration of the stop, okay?
So I ain't gonna better stuff on me?
You can. You're just going to go into cuffs for everyone's safety, okay? There's two of you.
Put my truck to the front there. I ain't doing
Yeah.
nothing.
There's two of you, two of us, okay? Come over here.
I ain't got one.
Yeah, you're good. Can you sit on the floor over here? I appreciate it.
You're getting pat down and everything.
Yeah, let me just find my glasses. I can't see shit. Thanks.
Give me somebody's number to call.
Can you stand up for a second?
You know what? Honestly, I think I like that officer for, being lenient on him, because he trying to calm her down. He's not interfering. He didn't interfere at all with the investigation. A lot of times when you see couples, the one that's not getting in trouble likes to come close to the situation, or hooting and hollering and yelling or pulling them or trying to interfere. He did what the officer said. Even when they was inside the vehicle, put your hand on the dash. He put his hand on the dash. No problem. He hasn't been an issue. You know what I'm saying? And he doesn't have to detain him in cuffs. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, whatever. Well, I could see maybe, just maybe a little bit because of her actions, but he's actually been pretty chill. You know what I'm saying? So at least if you are going to cuff them, he asked, can they be placed in the front? Normally they're not placed in the front unless you have a medical condition or something wrong with your shoulder or something like that. But the officer was pretty cool about that, because this guy has complied with everything that you said. So it's no need for him to, we have the smell of marijuana. Oh, come on. Y'all say the same shit, man. This is the same. The cops say the same shit. I'm telling you. That's why that's smoking that weed, man. That shit can get you jacked up, man. Because look, women say the same thing. I'm pregnant. Guys say the same thing. Or, women say I'm pregnant. You know what I'm saying? Black people say I can't breathe. But they all say they want to call their mama. It's like, damn. And cops always say, I smell marijuana. That's the number one catchphrase. That's it. You know what I'm saying? It's like, damn, you see a black person, we gonna say we can't breathe. We got heart palpitations all of a sudden. We can't breathe, all right? If you see a lady, she gonna say, I'm pregnant. Don't be rough, I'm pregnant. You know what I'm saying? It's a guarantee, man. And then the cop gonna say, I smell marijuana. It's automatic. I'm telling you, it's automatic. So anyway, let's see how this continues to play out.
I'm gonna patch off weapons, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. Sit back down, okay? Stand up. Stand up. Yeah. Battery on LEO. No, just them two.
I'm trying to call my mama.
You lost that chance.
I'm trying to call my mama.
Let's go.
I don't know no number.
He told me I could stand for him. I ain't do nothing. I didn't do anything. He just detained me because there was 2 officers and 2 of us. I didn't do nothing.
You made that a lot harder than it had to be.
I want to talk to my calling you.
Well, you sure enough fought me.
Who is she to you?
Girlfriend.
How old is she? 18? How old are you?
Oh, wait, no, she's not 2. She's not 2. I'm 2.
How old are you? How far out is your, anybody that can pick you up?
My mom is about an hour away.
Okay.
I'll wait. I'm free. Free and alive. That's all that matters. I would wait. I would start walking.
All you had was a warrant. That would have been quick and easy. You would have bonded out.
I wanted to go.
You said it. You forced my hand. You put me in a dangerous position on the side of the road with cars flying by me.
You opened my car door.
I'm more than legally allowed to. You have a warrant for your arrest. I asked you to get out nicely. You said no.
I said, let me
I said no. I said we'll handle that. Good. And then you decided to clench the steering wheel and not take off the seatbelt. I don't understand it.
I just want my baby.
I don't understand why you got so aggressive for no reason.
Because I don't like stuff like this.
All it was a simple traffic stop. That's it.
I don't have my license and my registration. That's all.
That's not a big deal. I don't care about the registration. All you have to do is have proof that you have it and insurance.
I would have had proof. I would have had somebody send it to his car.
All right. Well, I have a female deputy coming to search you, and then I'm towing your car and we're leaving.
You towing my car?
Yes, I'm towing your car.
How?
You resisted with violence and then you hit me.
He can drive my car. I didn't hit you.
You elbowed me several times. My camera recorded the entire time, and that front camera recorded the entire incident. So I don't know what you want me to do.
So how he getting home?
He's gonna arrange a ride. Your car's being towed regardless. I'm telling you.
I need to call my mama so they can come get me.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
Okay, you're an adult. You know what? Your mom's not coming to get your car.
So nobody can't come get my car?
No, I'm making the decision. I'm towing your car. You attacked me. You basically resisted. Your car's getting towed. It's that simple. Flower County Inmate Facility. For your warrant, and then you're also being charged with resisting with violence and battery on LEO.
And how long I gotta sit for that?
Yeah, he's fine. Yeah, he's good to go whenever, man.
And what is that? I never got no charges.
Battery on law enforcement officer. It's a 3rd-degree felony.
Okay.
Resisting with violence is a misdemeanor. And then that marijuana, it's not his. It wasn't behind his seat. It's behind your seat.
It's not mine, sir. I'm telling you.
In your vehicle.
I'm not the only one that drives my car.
Well, you're getting charged with it.
I don't have no numbers. I don't know no numbers.
It's been taken like 10
What
minutes.
is that?
Test kit.
What's
the marijuana that was in your bag? This deputy over here is going to search you, okay? Right up out of the car.
What else I'm gonna do when I got cuffs on?
Because I got gloves and I'm already touching it and then take it off for you. We're not gonna sit here and argue.
I'm not gonna argue with you, man.
What are you doing?
I'm not finna argue. I just snatched it off my head for you.
Okay, we're moving on.
Yep, moving on.
That's all I'm saying.
Anything else to search? Okay, listen. We're gonna move these cuffs again.
See your cuff key, my cuff key
You
went
moved
flying.
them.
Wait, what you mean move them?
Well, people get
You need
crafty
an
and you're
extra?
little.
Oh, cause I had
I'm gonna take
under
one of
my
your-
leg.
I'm gonna
because
take one of
they
your
was
cuffs
hurting
off. Do not.
I'm not finna do nothing.
Well,
sir.
that's what you
Hey.
said before, and
Okay.
now we're in this predicament.
Why y'all all holding me like this?
Do not move these back to the front again.
I had my nail broke. That's why I moved them.
I
Cause
don't
they
care.
was.
That does not matter.
I
There's
didn't know
bigger
you
problems
said-
than a broken nail.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a seat.
I don't need the seatbelt.
Well, you're getting the seatbelt. You don't cooperate, you get the seatbelt.
I don't give a f about y'all. How would I get home if the judge was to release me?
They're not gonna release you.
On a warrant?
So they don't even want to take you for the warrant. You're being charged with possession of marijuana, battery on law enforcement officer, resisting violence.
No, I'm saying you're not understanding what I'm saying.
I'm sorry.
So I'm going to jail just because them 3 charges.
For possession of marijuana, for battery on law enforcement, and for resisting violence.
3 charges.
Yes.
And them all felons.
No. Only one is.
Which one a felon?
The battery.
I never hit you though.
You elbowed me in the stomach, and I have marks on my
Show me the video again, cause I swear I never hit you like.
Elbowed me in the stomach and all my chest, and I have marks on my arm.
Cause we hit the ground.
Because I had to use my
But I never hit you, sir.
Put me in a very dangerous position.
I never hit you, though. I never hit you. I just kept trying to pull my arm away from you. I never hit you.
The woman was charged with resisting arrest with violence, possession of marijuana, and battery on a law enforcement officer.
Can't make this up. They mess up, now all of a sudden they want their mama. Battery on an officer, man. That's why. The guy, the boyfriend or whoever she was with, he was right. He said, you doing this for no reason. You gonna get an extra charge for literally no reason at all. No reason. Just because you wanted to be hard-headed. You already caught. You going to jail. It doesn't matter. You going one way or another, whether they got to use force or not. So, can't make this stuff up sometime, man. I think the officer did a great job being by himself. Highway stops are some of the most dangerous stops to me, in my opinion. I think so, because you're walking up to a car and you don't know what's going on in that car, what they got in that car, their mental, whatever. Like, it's like, damn. The next best scary thing, I think, is having to go to someone's house, you know. But them highway stops, you know, most of the time they go smooth, but it'll be that one time where it's like, it'll make your year. You know what I'm saying? It'll be like, damn. So I think the officer did a great job. I definitely give him 5 out of 5. You know what I'm saying? She didn't want to get out the car, so he had to apply some act right. You know what I'm saying? You gonna act right one way or another. You know what I'm saying? Whether you already know the drill, or we might have to beat it into you. You know what I'm saying? Hey, that's how I go. You know what I'm saying? Get your ass together. You know what I mean? So, hey, you know, it is what it is. Okay, she got it together though, you know? But anyways, let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.